있지 어쩜 이 또한 나니까 난 파란 나비처럼 날아가 잡지 못한 건 넌 네 몫이니까 활짝 꽃 피웠던 시간도 이제 모두 내게 lie 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 붉게 다 버려진 너와 나 난 괜찮아 넌 괜찮을까 구름 한 점 없이 예쁜 날 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다 You and me 미칠 듯이 뜨거웠지만 처참하게 짓밟혀진 내 하나뿐인 라일락 난 하얀 꽃잎처럼 날아가 잡지 않는 것은 너니까 살랑살랑 부는 바람에 이끌려보만 오지만 우리 my bye bye 붉게 다 버려진 너와 나 난 괜찮아 넌 괜찮을까 구름 한 점 없이 예쁜 날 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다 이젠 안녕 goodbye 뒤는 절대 안 봐 미련이란 이름에 입새한 나쁨비에 너에게서 떨어져 꽃향기만 남아 hey, hey, 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다 I have this thing where I get older but just never wiser midnights become my afternoons when my depression works the graveyard shift all of the people I've ghosted stand there in the room I should not be left to my own devices they come with prices and vices I end up in crisis all this time I wake up screaming from dreaming one day I'll watch as you're leaving cause you got tired of my scheming for the last time it's me hi I'm the problem it's me at tea time everybody agrees I'll stare directly at the sun but never in the mirror it must be exhausting always rooting for the anti-hero Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby and I'm a monster on the hill too big to hang out slowly lurching toward your favorite city pierced through the heart but never killed did you hear my covert narcissism like disguise as altruism like some kind of consciousness all this time I wake up screaming from dreaming one day I'll watch as you're leaving and life will lose all its meaning for the last time it's me hi I'm the problem it's me at tea time everybody agrees I'll stare directly at the sun but never in the mirror it must be exhausting always rooting for the anti-hero this dream my daughter-in-law kills me for the money She thinks I left them in the will. The family gathers around and reads it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing
Up at us from hell. What? What does it say? It's the worst.
But who got the beach house?
She's having it turned into a f***ing cat sanctuary.
What? Cats don't even like the beach.
What about the rest of the assets? I flew all the way here from Ibiza!
To my children, I leave 13 cents.
No! Wait, you guys. There's probably a secret encoded message that means something else! Yeah, that's what Mom would always do.
Great, well, good job, Chapman. Do you not remember?
Come on!
No, I'm not.
Thought the day you disappeared that it was over. Didn't even hear you leaving. Saw you with someone and thought that it was closure. But you still tell me that you need me. Baby, why? Tell me why. Can't you just make up your mind? Quit messing with my head. You can't say you hate me, then call me when you're hurt. Baby, you know that's not how this works. No, that's not how this works. You can't walk away, then come back to what we were. Baby, you know that's not how this works. No, that's not how this works. No, 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 no. Baby, that's not how this works. No, that's not how this works. Oh. Stop reminding me of when we said forever. I know exactly what you're doing. Or when you say you need to drop off all my sweaters, it's just one of your excuses.